So good afternoon, fellow ticket holders. Today we are coming from the Hotel Breakers here at Cedar Point, and today I'm going to give you a room tour of the room that we have. This current room is called a 2 queen bed room with sleeper chair and lake view. Now this is a room type that you do choose when you're on the website, so if you are interested in this room, be sure to select that. I'm just going to do a quick overview of everything that the room has and hope that this helps you in the future if you are looking to stay here at the Hotel Breakers. So let's get started with this room tour. And here we are at our room 6124. And as we enter into the room here and we turn to the left, we have this really large area where you can store your stuff. We just came in, so I went ahead and just put all of our stuff here out of the way. And as you see, we got a cart and some luggage over here and still plenty of room. This reminds me of the open area there at the Grand Californian Hotel. So as we continue to walk into the room here, we'll just stick to the left. We do have a very small closet here with an iron and ironing board, and we also have one of those luggage rack holders inside that you can take out. This is also where we have the safe, just your normal size safe that you see at most hotels. And next to all this, we have another open cubby hole area, and this is where we have 4 pool towels, which is really cool to see that they have the pool towels in the room and you don't have to worry about getting them down at the pool. And we also have a microwave and an actual mini refrigerator, which is awesome because we have ice bricks with us, so that way we can put the ice bricks into the little freezer. And we also have a mini fridge with storage area for sodas and things in the door. Really like that they have this type of refrigerator here. And if we turn to the right inside the entryway here, this is where we have the vanity area. Hello. And then we just got a single sink here with some shampoo amenities, the shampoo and conditioner and lotion and soap. And we have a tissue box. We also got some hand towels and some washcloths, the light and mirror. And down below we have 4 bath towels and a hair dryer. And then right to the right here we have the most important room in the room, the bathroom. Nothing too special here. Looks like we got some more towels hanging on the wall, and we have a regular just tub shower with again more towels, so plenty of towels going on here. No real special shower head, but this is really neat here. Instead of the pull across line, it looks like we have some hooks up here where you can put your swimsuits or something to dry in the shower. That's really neat. Never seen that before. And here is our bathroom art. The Barrel of Fun at Cedar Point. Some classic artwork here. Alright, so now the main section of the room here. As I said, this is a dual queen bed room with a sleeper chair, which we see over there, and we will check that out in a moment. But we do have 2 queen beds with plenty of pillows on each bed. And as we can see, the headboards is the Ferris wheel, which is really cool. If we come in between the bed here, we have a light and a telephone, and we have an alarm clock that has the USBs on top, which is really nice. And in the lamp, we have some USB ports. This drawer is empty. I actually expected there to be a Gideon's Bible in there, but we don't. And some more storage down here between the beds. Now it doesn't look like there's any under the bed storage here at the Hotel Breakers. We do have just a solid bed frame. So unlike other hotels, like at Disney, you do not have under the bed storage here. Across from the bed, we have a pretty large television. I'm gonna guess it's maybe a 36 or 40 inch. The trash can, a chest of drawers, and are all empty. Oh, not that one. That would be the pillow. And this might be where the blanket is. Yeah, the blankets and pillow for the pull-out sofa chair. And we should have some paperwork that we just picked up the front desk. And these wristbands are for the pool. And they told us that these change out every few days for a different color. So we do need to get new ones at some point. We also have a quick welcome guide and information in the event we need something. This is a quick reference guide here. Then over here on the side, we have what would be like a work desk and a round mirror with the ice bucket. Another lamp, which has 2 more USB ports, which is awesome. Now it doesn't look to be the most comfortable chairs, but it does go with the red decor over here. And as I said, we do have 2 queen beds, and apparently this is a pull-out chair for a bed. So let's see if we can get this out. And there we have it. It's basically a twin-size bed. So that means this room can actually handle 5 people. I think it'd be pretty okay with that if you're looking to just be out at the parks all the time. But I don't think this is the most comfortable bed for an adult. Would probably be perfect just for a kid. And finally, the most important part of this room is the view. As I said, this is a screened-in balcony, and these do look over Lake Erie. Hello!
Hi.
Enjoying it out here?
Very much so. It's so beautiful.
Out here on the patio, we have 2 chairs and a little table, and it is a screened-in porch, so that way you can't fall over and you don't let the bugs in, because apparently it is bug season according to the front desk's little pamphlet, so we don't have to deal with them out here. But look at that view of Lake Erie and the beach, and you also have one of the outdoor pools. And that will conclude our room tour here at Hotel Breakers. As I said, this category of room is a 2 queen bed with a sleeper chair with lake view, and that is an option when you're on their website booking. So if you like this room, as I said, be sure to pick that. Right now, we just came in the room and we are amazed with what we got, and we are happy to be here for the next few days and are looking forward to enjoying this room. And we hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, be safe, be kind, and adventure on. Bye! Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.